Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PayPal debit card in store. Your PayPal debit card functions just like any standard MasterCard debit card. You can confidently use it at millions of retail locations globally, wherever MasterCard is accepted. Before making a purchase, always ensure your linked PayPal balance has enough funds to cover your transaction. It's a straightforward way to access your PayPal money for everyday shopping. Making an in-store purchase is simple. At the checkout, you'll either swipe or insert your card into the point-of-sale terminal. When prompted, select Debit and then enter your unique 4-digit personal identification number. For added convenience, if the store accepts contactless payments, you can simply tap your card. Remember, using your PIN for debit transactions is generally the most direct way to use your funds. Keeping track of your funds is easy. You can monitor your PayPal balance in real time using the PayPal app on your smartphone or by logging into the PayPal website. You'll receive instant notifications for every transaction, helping you stay informed about your spending. Regularly reviewing your transaction history allows you to track your budget effectively. Plus, you can often get cash back at participating stores when making a purchase with your PIN. For secure usage, always protect your personal identification number and never share it. If your card is lost or stolen, report it immediately to PayPal customer service to prevent unauthorized use. Be mindful of daily spending limits. Typically, these are $3,000 for purchases and $400 for ATM withdrawals. Using strong, unique passwords for your PayPal account adds another layer of security to your funds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.